Say this to any woman to instantly build emotional connection. Before we begin, hit like button. Not just to support the channel, but because it tells YouTube this message matters. When you do, it reaches more people who want real connection. Not games, not tricks, but truth. And if you're new here, subscribe for weekly psychology videos that teach you how to communicate, connect, and understand human emotions with depth. "Son," the old man said softly, "you don't make a woman fall for you with words. You make her feel safe with your truth. The right words don't seduce. They awaken trust. Most men think attraction is about charm, but the most powerful attraction is emotional safety mixed with curiosity. So today, we'll break down the simple phrases that instantly build emotional connection, the ones that make people feel understood, valued, and drawn to your energy. These aren't pick-up lines. They're psychological patterns that tap into how our brains form trust and attraction. Number 1. I noticed something about you. The mirror of attention. Why it works. People feel emotionally close to those who see them clearly. When you say, "I noticed something about you," and follow with an observation, not flattery, you activate the brain's validation circuit. Psychology insight. Humans crave individual recognition. When someone reflects back a trait or habit that feels genuine, oxytocin, the bonding hormone, increases. Example: I noticed something about you. The way you laugh when you're trying not to smile first. That's intimacy through observation, not performance. Use it when you want to create emotional warmth and comfort, especially early in conversation. Number 2. That actually makes sense. The validation code. Most people listen to argue or fix. Emotionally intelligent people listen to understand. When you say, "That actually makes sense," you lower her guard instantly. Why? Because her nervous system interprets it as acceptance rather than judgment. Modern psychology. The amygdala, the fear center of the brain, relaxes when someone feels understood. That calmness becomes connection. Try saying, "That actually makes sense. I'd probably feel the same in that situation." You just turned a conversation into safety. Number 3. You remind me of the emotional anchor. This phrase builds instant familiarity. Our brains connect more easily with people who trigger positive associations. But use it authentically, not as flattery. Example: you remind me of someone who really listens before they speak. That line subconsciously says, "I feel comfortable and recognized in your presence." Psychology insight. This taps into the halo effect. When someone links you to a positive memory, they start perceiving you through that emotional filter. Number 4. You know what I appreciate about you? The respect statement. Forget random compliments. Appreciation is deeper. It's specific respect. When you name something subtle about her behavior or values, you bypass superficial attraction and go straight into emotional depth. Example: you know what I appreciate about you. You actually listen before giving your opinion. That's rare. Modern insight. This triggers serotonin-based reward, which links your presence with self-worth. She begins to associate you with feeling emotionally valued. Number 5. You don't have to rush. I've got time. The safety signal. Few things are more attractive than patience. When you tell a woman she doesn't have to rush, and you mean it, you signal calm confidence and emotional grounding. That relaxed energy allows her to exhale emotionally. Psychology. Women's attraction systems are often linked to emotional pacing. Calm communication increases perceived emotional security, the foundation of intimacy. Example: you don't have to rush. I've got time. Tell me what you were saying. It's simple, but it shows power in restraint. Number 6. I get it. That's actually pretty rare. The validation-respect blend. When you blend empathy with subtle admiration, you activate both comfort and curiosity. It tells her, you're unique and I understand why. Modern insight. People crave distinct validation, to be seen as one of one. This builds a quiet psychological magnetism that feels mature, not needy. Example: I get it. That's actually pretty rare. Most people wouldn't notice that detail. That single sentence can melt tension and open emotional flow. Number 7. You have a calm energy. It's nice to be around. The resonance effect. Humans mirror emotions. When you calmly acknowledge someone's energy, it deepens emotional resonance. Psychology insight. This taps into limbic synchrony, the subconscious alignment of emotional states between two people. You're literally making her body feel emotionally in sync with yours. Example: you have a calm energy. It's nice to be around. That tells her that presence matters more than perfection. The real key isn't what you say, it's the energy underneath it. When you speak with calm curiosity, present attention, genuine warmth, your tone, pace, and body language send more powerful messages than your words ever could. People fall for emotional authenticity, not tactics. The quiet man, the old man said, who listens with his eyes and speaks with his soul, he never has to chase connection. It comes to him. So next time you talk to a woman, or anyone, remember, you don't need fancy words. You just need sincerity, observation, and patience. That's how emotional chemistry is built, one genuine moment at a time. If this helped you, like this video right now, so it reaches others who are tired of shallow games. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into communication, psychology, and emotional mastery. Speak less to impress, the old man said, and more to connect. And you'll never have to wonder who's truly drawn to you.